Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a swipe to create a background that will hopefully look like sunset colors over water, and then I'll paint on a few details and try and create the look of mountains reflecting in the water. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors is mixed in my typical swipe ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. I'll also list all my paint colors, ratios and supplies in the description box so you can find all those details there. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. With the painting dry, to test whether what I have in mind might work, I drew my idea onto some plastic on top of the canvas. This is actually a tip that I discovered on the Left Brained Artist's channel, so I'll have a link to his channel in the description box. It's really a great way to test out an idea before committing to it. Now I'm going to use some ivory black paint to recreate what I drew on the plastic onto the canvas. I'm also adding a black border to the whole painting. ready to add the sun. Because my yellow is a transparent paint, I'm first adding some opaque white to hide the background colors and then adding brilliant yellow on top of that. I'm not sure if I love the way I did the sun, but I think still happy with the painting overall. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks as always for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.